Hello friends, myself Dr.UdhavN.Bhale, Professor Department of Botany, Arts, Science, Commerce and Narduk Talaka, Tuzapur District, Usmanabad, affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Madhav University, Aurangabad. Friends, once again here for presenting the multiple choice question based on Pteridophyta part 2, which is come under the diversity of Cryptogams II. Now these multiple choice questions are very most important for various examinations such as undergraduate students, postgraduate students, as well as the preparation of NEET, SET, SLATE, PET, MPSC, UPSC examination. Then it is also useful for the various agricultural sciences for entering examination, as well as for the preparation of forest service examination. Then it is also useful for the medical entrance examination for NEET, for online as well as offline examination. And nowadays during the COVID-19 pandemic era, everywhere the examination is going to be conducted the multiple choice question. Keeping this view in my mind, here I am introducing the multiple choice question based on the Pteridophyta part 2. Let us see now here the question number 1, that is the innermost layer of sporangium of Selaginella is called. Their options are A. elatrus, B. synangium, C. jacket, D. tapetum. And their correct answer is that is D, that is called as tapetum. So this is the innermost layer of sporangium of especially in Selaginella, which is called as tapetum. Question number 2, primary ventral cell is formed from. Their options are A. cover cell, B. cap cell, C. central cells, D. axial cells. And their options is C, that is a central cells. Question number 3, the primary ventral cell gives rise to. Their options are the A. jacket cell, B. tapetum, C. oosphere, D. oospore. And the correct option is C, that is a oosphere. Question number 4, that is the oospore divides into two cells. The upper cells enlarges and is called as. Their options are A. suspension, B. cotyledons, C. embryonal cells, and D. protonema. And the correct answer is A, especially here suspension in pteridophytes. When oospore divides or zygotes are divided to develop firstly the upper cells, that is called as suspension. Question number 5, that is mature vascular bundles have a canal cell or canal, it is called as. Their options are A. carinal cells, B. vesicular cells, C. central cells, and D. none of the above. Their correct option is that is A, that is a carinal cells or carinal cells is called as canal cells. The question number 6, that is the stele present in equigetum is. What kind of the stele are present in equigetum air stem? That is A. haplostele, B. actinostele, C. plectostele, and D. sapnostele. The correct answer is D, that is sapnostele. Question number 7, the outermost layer epispore splits to form 4 bands and separate from the spore wall on drying. These bands are called in pteridophytes. Their options are A. jacket cell, B. tapetum, C. oosphere, and D. elatrus. And the correct option is that is B, that is a tapetum. Question number 8, sporocarp is formed in which type of or which forms of pteridophytes? Their options are A. lycopodium, B. marsilia, C. equigetum, and D. polypodium. And the correct answer or option is that is a B, in marsilia. Question number 9, the sora are produced in hard fruit bodies in marsilia, which is called as. That is A. sporangia, B. sporophylls, C. ovule, and D. sporocarps. And the correct option is D, that is sporocarps. Question number 10, in the megasporangium only one spores develop, further all others disintegrate forming a mucilaginous mass, or it is also called as. Their options are A. jacket cell, B. tapetum, C. plasmodium, D. elatrus. And the correct option is that is C, that is a plasmodium. Question number 11, xylotum is commonly called as. Their options are A. whisk worm, B. water fern, C. cod moss, D. horsetail. And the correct option is A, that is whisk worm. Xylotum is also commonly called as whisk worm. Question number 12, that is the epiphytic species are found in? Generally, their options are A. Lycopodium, B. Xylotum, C. Equigetum, D. Marsilia. Among these 4 species, the epiphytic plant species are found in B, that is in Xylotum. Then question number 13, that is ground pines are commonly called as, or ground pines, this is the commonly called to the pteridophyte members of. Their options are A. Lycopodium, B. Selaginella, C. Xylotum, D. Marsilia, and the correct option is C, that is Xylotum is also called as the ground pines. Then question number 14, which pteridophytes are commonly found in humus soil? And their options are A. Selaginella, B. Lycopodium, C. Marsilia, D. Equigetum, and such humus soils found pteridophytes. Their correct option is, that is a B, that is Lycopodium are found in the humus soil, especially the that is Lycopodium pteridophytes. Question number 15, that is which Pteridophyta is hanging epiphytic species? That is, their options are A. Xylotum, B. Lycopodium, C. Marsilia, D. Equigetum, and the correct option is B, that is Lycopodium is considered for or forming, that is hanging epiphytic species. Some species are found the hanging epiphytic species in Lycopodium. So question number 16, spike moths are commonly called as. Their options are A. Selaginella, B. Lycopodium, C. Marsilia, D. Equigetum, and the correct option is A, that is Selaginella. Question number 17, which pteridophytic species is considered as indicator of for minerals in the soil? Their options are A. Xylotum, B. Equigetum, C. Lycopodium, D. Marsilia, and the correct option is, that is B, that is Equigetum. Question number 18, deposition of silica in the forms of pteridophytes. Their options are A. Marsilia, B. Xylotum, C. Equigetum, D. Lycopodium, and the correct option is C, that is in Equigetum. Equigetum deposition of silica. Then question number 19, looks as a sandpaper in. That their options are A. Selaginella, B. Lycopodium, C. Xylotum, D. Equigetum, and ultimately the correct option is, that is D, in Equigetum is also considered for the sandpaper. Question number 20, that is paper worts are commonly called as. Their options are A. Marsilia, B. Lycopodium, C. Xylotum, D. Selaginella, and the correct option is A, that is Marsilia. So Marsilia is also commonly called as paperworts. So this is all about the 20 multiple choice questions based on pteridophytes or diversity of cryptogams seconds, that is a part second. So watch this YouTube channel UdhavN.Bhale, subscribe my channel, like and share to others. Thank you very much.